Let's learn how to delete Telegram videos from phone storage. It's very simple and will help you a lot. If you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video. The first thing you need to do is open the Telegram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're sure you're on the right account, we can start. When the Telegram app opens, you'll see a list of all your chats on the home screen. In the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll see the option Settings. Click on that option. After clicking on Settings, a page with many options will open. You need to find the Data and Storage option by scrolling down a bit. Once you've found this option, click on it, and a page with several options will open. The option you need is at the top, which is Storage Usage. Click on this option, and a page will open where you can see how much memory is being used. For example, my videos only take up 10 megabytes, but if you want to delete them, click on the Clear Entire Cache button. Once you've clicked on that, you have successfully completed the entire process. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.